Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the handiest gadgets you can add to your home toolkit. This is the best battery tester digital handheld accurate, the D-FantiX BT168 Universal Battery Checker. If you're tired of guessing whether your batteries are dead or still usable, this compact device will become your new favorite. Right out of the box, the D-FantiX BT168 impresses with its lightweight and simple design. Weighing just 0.05 kilograms, it's so small and portable that you can toss it in your junk drawer, toolkit, or even carry it in your pocket if you need to test batteries on the go. But don't let the size fool you. This tester packs a punch and functionality. The BT168 doesn't require any battery to operate. That's right, no extra AA or coin cells needed to get this thing working. Instead, it's powered by the battery you're testing. As soon as you slide in a battery, the analog needle springs to life, gliding across a color-coded scale. It gives you an immediate reading. Green means your battery is good, yellow means it's low, and red indicates it's time to replace or recharge. Using the D-FantiX tester couldn't be easier. It features a movable arm that adjusts to the size of the battery. Simply place the battery into the tester, positive side on one end, negative on the other, and the display tells you all you need to know. No power button, no app, no setup. It just works. This tester is compatible with an impressive variety of batteries. Whether you have standard AA, AAA, C, D, or 9 volts batteries, or those tiny button cells you use for watches, remotes, or hearing aids, the BT168 can handle them. It supports both standard and rechargeable types, making it ideal for households that use mixed battery types for toys, remotes, flashlights, and more. Now, while the BT168 is incredibly helpful, it's important to remember that it's not designed to measure the actual capacity in mAh. Instead, it provides a quick check of voltage to help you judge whether the battery still has life left. That means you can avoid tossing out batteries that still have juice, which saves you money and reduces waste. One of the best use cases for this tester is in households with kids, where battery-operated toys are everywhere. You'll no longer need to wonder which battery in the toy train set is the culprit. A quick test will show you what to keep and what to toss. It's also perfect for photographers, hobbyists, and preppers who need a reliable way to check their battery supplies. This battery checker is especially helpful for rechargeable batteries. Since they tend to lose charge when stored, you can easily test your batteries before loading them into your camera or flashlight. It eliminates the guesswork and saves time, especially during emergencies. Overall, the D-FantiX BT168 is a must-have for anyone who uses household batteries regularly. It's simple, affordable, and does exactly what it's supposed to do without unnecessary bells and whistles. The analog display gives you a satisfying, instant reading and ensures you'll never be confused about your battery's status again. That wraps up today's review. If you're looking for a smart and efficient way to manage your battery usage, the D-FantiX BT168 battery tester definitely deserves a spot in your home. For more honest and detailed product breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.